How to fix Scritchy Scratchy is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. And then you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and you want to download the distributables. You can access this by searching for Redist and opening the first link. Now, from this table right here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 installers for Redists. And once you finish the installation, you will need to restart your computer. Now, after the restart and before opening the game, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU drivers installed. So if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to use NVIDIA app to get updates. Otherwise, if you're on AMD, you can download the AMD software. And from here, you can get the latest available drivers. And once you've installed the drivers, you can run Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and click on Run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.